to weigh your food, it depends on what you're eating. So let me give you an example. Raw salmon, raw any food is what the nutrition label says. Raw salmon, for 4 ounces of raw salmon is 220 calories. If you were to weigh raw salmon, 4 ounces is 220 calories. But then you cook it and weigh it again, it might be 3.5 ounces. And so it's still 220 calories. Personally, I weigh my food cooked with 4 ounces. Half an ounce just doesn't make a big difference. What makes a difference is the oil, for example, that you cook with. Protein, half an ounce difference protein doesn't make a difference. Eat your protein. Brown rice, if you read the label, it's gonna say half a cup of dry is 50 grams and it's 180 calories. But when you cook it, it makes 1 cup cooked. So you could measure it 1 cup cooked, but it's still 180 calories. So it all depends on what you're eating. All the food labels are always raw, so you can give it a try. You can cook something, see what it weighs uncooked, and then see what it weighs after. But the calories are always raw.